Meaning of firstborn.
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 Firstborn. Firstborn refers to the first child born to one or both parents. This term is often used in religious, cultural, and legal contexts. In some societies, the firstborn has special rights, such as inheriting property or assuming a leadership position. Firstborns may also face high expectations from their parents and society, serving as role models for younger siblings. Studies have shown that firstborns tend to be more conscientious, ambitious, and responsible, possibly due to their early role as caretakers and leaders within the family.